teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions Exercise 5.3 28th question. So this is the last question of this particular exercise 5.3. Alright, now let's read the question. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. So till here let us understand. Okay, so from here now let us read after some time. Okay, why? Because we should understand the diagram, right? So here now in this question they are playing a potato race. Okay, of course everyone knows that. So in a potato race now there is a bucket. So I'll draw the bucket. So there is a bucket. Okay, so this is the bucket. A bucket is placed at the starting point. So this is the starting point. Okay. Okay. So which is 5 meters from the first potato. So here this is 5 meters far from the first potato. I mean, so here there is a potato. Okay. So let us draw the eyes for the potato. Okay. So this is the potato. So the distance from the bucket and the potato is 5 meters. Okay, so now you understood, right? Okay, so this is the first potato. Okay, remember this is the first potato. Okay, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. Okay, so other potatoes are placed 3 meters. So here, so after 3 meters there is a potato, and from this potato after 3 meters there is another one potato, and from here another one potato, and from here another one potato, and from here another one potato, and another one potato, and another one potato. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I don't have space. Okay, so remember there are 10 potatoes like this. Okay, so here I just do only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I just do 8 potatoes. Still we need 2 more potatoes. Okay, so remember there are 10 potatoes in the line. Okay, so in this line now there are 10 potatoes. Okay, so remember. Okay, I don't have space, that's why I didn't draw 10 potatoes. Okay, so here what is the distance between this potato to this potato? The distance is 3 meters. Here also 3 meters. Here also 3 meters. So everywhere. Okay, still here everything the distance is 3 meters. Okay, all right. So here this is potato number 2. 1 second. Okay, so this is potato number 2, this is potato number 3, this is 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now you can understand it properly, right? Okay, so now this is the figure. Okay, so now let's read further. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay, so here no. Okay, so there is a person. Okay, so let us show there is a person. Okay guys, so in this question they mentioned there is a person. So here you can see, so here no, this here in this picture no, this is the person. Okay, think that this is a person. So this person now is standing right over here, and he is going to the first potato, and he picks up the potato. Now he took the potato in his hand. Okay, and then he is running back towards the bucket to put the potato inside. Okay, so now he put the potato inside. So now you can think there is a potato inside. Okay, he took the first potato and put it inside. So likewise he goes to the second potato and he will come back and he will put the potato inside. Okay, so here we are supposed to mention the distance. Okay, so here let me just write distance number 1. Distance number 1 means when he will take the first potato here number 1, this is the first potato, likewise distance number 1. Okay, so here you can think this is a person, right? So now he is going like this to pick up the potato. Okay, so now he took the potato in his hand. Okay, so when he just went there, what was the distance? The distance is 5 meters, isn't it? So let us write the 5. And now what he's going to do is he's going to come back again to drop the potato inside the basket like this, isn't it? One second, you can't see it, right? Okay, so now he went like this, he picked up the potato and is coming back to drop the potato like this. Okay, so now when he came near the bucket, what was the distance again? So the distance was 5, right? So plus 5. Okay, how means first he went like this, he picked up the potato and he came back like this in the same distance, isn't it? So the distance is 5. That's why we have 5 plus 5. First he went like this. So one second. So now he went like this. So now it is 5 meter, right? He covered 5 meter and again he is going back in the same distance. That time also that person is covering 5 meter. That's why 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so now distance number 2. So that is second potato. Okay, so this person is standing here. Okay, so now from here he is moving like this to the second potato. Now he is picking up the second potato and he is going back on the same distance, and he is now he came to the starting point to drop the potato inside the bucket. Okay, so when he went like this till the second potato, what was the distance? 5 plus 3, isn't it? So 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is 8. So let us write 8. Okay, and then when he came from here, now the distance is 8, right? So why? Because 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. That's why he covered 8 meter. Okay, so now again he is going, after picking up the second potato, he is going back near the bucket to put the potato. Okay, so when he is going coming back from like this, what is the distance? 5 plus 3, then one more 8, isn't it? How? So first he is going like this, so now the distance is 8 meter. Why? Because 5 plus 3 is 8, and then he is going back like this, and now also the distance is 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do? Now we are supposed to add. So when we add, we will get 16. So 10 meter here, and here it is 16 meter. So likewise we are supposed to go to the third potato. So here this is the person, right? This person, he is going to the third potato. Now he is picking up the potato. So what is the distance? 5 plus 3 plus 3. Why? Because the third potato is here, right? Once again, the third potato is here. So 5 plus 3 plus 3 is 11. Once again, 11. Okay, and then plus he is going back in the same direction like this, isn't it? To drop the third potato inside the bucket. Okay, so now when he is coming back like this, the distance is 11. Why? Because 3 plus 5, that is 11. Okay, so is equal to, now we are supposed to add 11 plus 11, that is 22. Okay, so 22 meter. Okay, so now we can actually form an AP, isn't it? So 10, 16, 22, like that we can form an AP. Okay, all right. Okay, so now the AP is 10, 16, 22. Okay, you guys might be wondering, there are 10 potatoes, isn't it? So we can actually find the distance for the 10 potatoes, isn't it? But it will take some time to find for 10 potatoes, to find the distance for 10 potatoes. So let us write so on. Okay, okay, so this is A1, that is potato number 1. You can think like that. So this is A2 and this is A3. Okay, so here how many potatoes are there? There are 10 potatoes. Okay, remember, there are 10 potatoes. Okay, here you guys might be wondering, okay, so now we formed an AP, isn't it? So what are we supposed to find according to the question? According to the question, we are supposed to find what is the total distance the competitor has to run. Okay, so we are supposed to find the total distance. How? One second. So here you can see we have 10 potatoes, right? There are 10 potatoes. We just found the distance for till first potato, second potato and third potato. We just found the distance, isn't it? We didn't find for 4, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. It is literally hard to find distance for like that, isn't it? So to find the total distance, no? Here if I write d1 comma d2 comma d3, so d means here it is distance, okay, and so on, okay, like this. So here the distance for first potato and distance till second potato, distance till third potato, like that we have 10 potatoes, right? So we are supposed to find distance for 10 potatoes, okay. Alright, how to find it? Okay guys, so since you guys know we have 10 potatoes, isn't it? So I just wrote n is equal to 10. Why? Because we want the number of distance for 10 potatoes, okay. Alright, so here n is equal to 10, and what is the a value? So the a value is 10, and the d value, it is a2 minus a1, okay. So a2 minus a1, that is 16 minus 10 is 6. So d is equal to 6, okay. So now we can actually apply the SN formula, okay. Okay guys, so now let us apply the SN formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and close the bracket. So n value is 10 and is equal to 10 by 2 into so bracket, so 2 into a is 10 and then plus n value is 10, so 10 minus 1 and the d value is 6, okay, and then close the bracket. I am just doing little bit fast. Why? Because you guys know this, right? Okay, so S10, so we can cancel it, 1 2 is 2, 5 2 is 10, so is equal to 5, and then 2 10s are 20 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, and then so 10 minus 1 9, okay, and then into 6 and close the bracket. So S10 is equal to 5 into 20 plus 9 6 are, so 9 6 are, it is 54, right? Yeah, 54, and then S10 and 5 as it is, so 20 plus 54, 74, okay. So 20 plus 6 20 plus 54 is 74, okay. So now S10 is equal to 5 into 74 is 370. So this is gonna be your answer, okay. So you can actually write the distance is equal to 370 meter, okay. So the distance covered, okay. So here now till the 10th potato when the person is running, so here this is the person, right? So when he runs from here to till the 10th potato, like this he'll run, right? So the distance will be 370, okay. So this is our answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.